Hello, once again, it's time for another episode of Bearbo's Basement. It's middle of September already. Where does it all go? Where does the time all go? Today's episode is a song called Early Bird, written with Mr. Doug Forshee. It's a fun song. Tim Grogan turned the fun knob way up for this song. And it's just a big old bunch of joy and fun with a little philosophy thrown in. I guess some of that philosophy is that patience pays. You just wait for something good to happen, it's probably going to happen. Anyway, the accompanying video is one was a lot of fun to make, and I hope you guys enjoy. Early bird gets the worm, but the second mouse.
For work one day, all the cars that I was passing, leaving them slow pokes in the dust, till I saw the blue lights flashing. I was fuming there in my car, while the cop wrote the citation. Every car I passed me by. I guess I learned it's the cheese. She was the prettiest girl in school. Man, I wanted to walk up to her. I was a hesitant, heartsick fool. And the quarterback up and stole her, but they never did tie the knot. And I finally got a chance to ask her. My surprise, she said yes. Since then we've been together. Oh, the early bird gets the worm. The early bird gets the worm. The early bird may get the worm, as pretty as you please, just as pretty as the second mouse gets the cheese. That must be why we use them, those old cliches, like heaven sent, meant to be, hands of fate. If the shoe fits, put it on. It's like they say, good things come to those who wait. It's true, the early bird, I know. It's the worm. The early bird gets the worm. The early bird may get the worm, as pretty as you please, just as pretty as the second mouse gets the cheese. Gets the cheese. Gets the cheese. Say cheese.
Alrighty, what do you think? Fun, huh? Tim Grogan turned up the fun knob and all the whistling and keyboards and bass and percussion. And we had a lot of fun adding the harmonies and background vocals. The early bird may get the worm, but the second mouse. We'll see you next time on Bearbo's Basement. Take care.